Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today I'm gonna show you how to make some honey garlic chicken wings. So first things first, we're pulling out that Chicka Licka Bam Bam. That's 2 tablespoons, and you can pick this up at your local grocery. This is by the Fire and Smoke Society. No, I'm not getting paid for it, but it's an awesome seasoning. I got 1 cup of flour, and as you see me with that seasoning right there, I'm getting it coated in all my wings, and I'm gonna teach you how to make some perfect fried chicken. So the first thing you want to do is get those wings and make sure that they are seasoned. So you see me, I got that cute little whisk right there, and with that Chicka Licka Bam Bam, your seasoning, man, just whisking that in there because you want your wings to be flavorful. And then I'm just lightly coating this wing in the flour and seasoning mixing, and then I'm putting it on that wire rack so I can let it sit. And then you see me here, man, I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the wings, but I'm not gonna bore you guys. But if you have been following me, you know, man, I gotta let the wings rest because they about to put in some work for me. We're gonna set our fryers to 350 degrees, let that thing cook until it's golden brown. Follow me on that Instagram, man. Follow me on Facebook. Those are my handles right there, man. I told you I was going to tell you how to make some perfect fried chicken. You can hear the fryer in the background. I still got some batches to go. But look at this right here. You see that golden brown? It's crispy. And I'm going to go ahead and tear it apart. Look at it right there. You see that? Right there. Nice, juicy, tender chicken right there. And then take a little bite. That's what you want. And then, you know, I do it for real. That's what you want right there, man. Some tender chicken that's flavorful, man. So I just taught you how to make some perfect fried chicken every time. So keep following along with me, man. We got 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna melt this thing. So we're gonna get this honey garlic sauce ready so we can dump the wings in there. So we're gonna melt that up, man. I got that cast iron. I'm cooking it at a medium-high heat, and we got that. We're just getting that pan buttered up. Then I got 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, putting that in that pan. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna let that butter and that minced garlic go to work and create some flavor. So what you're gonna see me doing here is I'm swishing this around in the bottom of that pan, because first I don't want it to stick and burn. And the second thing is I want it to get lightly brown. So this is where that flavor is gonna come in too until you add that next ingredient. So you see me right there, just whisking that thing in, man. Like I said, you want to make sure that it's lightly brown. Don't take it to a dark brown, a light brown on your minced garlic. And as you probably hear in the background, man, I'm teaching my babies how to cook. And that's what it's all about, man. Teaching that younger generation coming up below us, man, some knowledge and some skills so they can go further in life, man. That's what it's all about. I love what I do. Cooking is my hobby, but helping others is my passion in life. And here we go, man. We got a cup of honey, and we're putting it in that pan right there, as you see. Get your honey, put it in that pan with that minced garlic and that butter, and now you're gonna let it go to work. And that's the whole key to your honey garlic wings. So now you're gonna continue to follow that method of just swishing it around in the pan. What we're looking for in this step here, as you can see, it's starting to bubble. So when it starts to simmer, that's what you're looking for. Then we're gonna add in about a teaspoon of soy sauce, and it's gonna give it additional flavor for these honey garlic wings. So you see me, you see where we're going here, right? So now you see that the sauce is starting to simmer. So go ahead and reduce your heat, especially if you're using cast iron, because your cast iron is going to stay hot. And then the sauce is going to thicken up, and now you're ready to drop that chicken in there. So you see me, I'm going to drop this chicken in here, and we're going to get ready to go and bring it back up for you. So let me let you enjoy the footage of this, and there you have it, man. Some honey garlic chicken wings. And if you enjoyed this video, man, go ahead and smash that like button, man. I appreciate your support. Appreciate you watching. Alright fam, so there you go. Honey glazed chicken right there. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and smash one of these, but before I do, hey, y'all smash that subscribe button, man. Thank you guys for watching. And let's look at this bad boy right here. Like I said, I'm about to smash one. That's delicious, man. Let me finish smashing this, man. I will see you guys later, man. Peace.